Hey friends, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn about lists. So, what are lists? Basically, it's a variable that can store multiple items, and we need to use square brackets. Here is a list of my favorite fruits. And the best thing about the lists is definitely that we can mix multiple data types. Let's try it out. You see, it's printing the lists within the square brackets. Now I'm going to teach you how to access different elements within a list. Basically, each element in a list has its own index or location. The first element has the location 0, the second has the location 1, third has the location 2, and so on. So if you want to print in this list number 4, we would print like this. Example list, so the variable name of the square brackets, okay, and then the element location. Let's try it out. See, it's printing number 4. We can use it for any location. Now I'm going to teach you how to add and remove items within a list. To add and remove items, okay, so to add items, we use the append function, which basically adds a particular element to the end of a list. So for example, I want to add cheese to the end of the shopping list. I would use variable name dot append, you know what you want to add. So shopping list dot append cheese. See? See, at first there's no cheese and then we added cheese. So yeah, and now to remove items, we use just remove. So it's basically the exact same thing, except now I'm the removing the cheese. Let's see. See, at first there's cheese and then I remove the cheese with remove function. And that's all for this video. See you soon. Bye.